How to make email templates in Gmail. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with email templates in Gmail. So let's get into it. Now, the first step that you have to do is you have to go on to Chrome Web Store. So you just search for chrome.google.com, and over here, we are going to download a extension to install our template holder. So what you're just going to do is you're going to search for Gmail templates. And once you search for that, you're going to have this top result. It's called Gmail Email Templates by Cloud HQ. And this is the extension that you are going to be using. So it is a free to use extension. They also have a sample video that you can take a look at before you get started. But we are going to cover all the bases in this video. So you're just going to click on Add to Chrome over here. Then you're going to click on Add Extension. And then we're just going to wait for the extension to be added. Now, once the extension has been added, it will open up your Gmail account, whatever Gmail account you are logged into, and then you have this basic kind of welcome bar, and you have all of this stuff over here that they are showing you how to get started with. Now, once you have your account created, you can see that you have this button on the top over here, and then you're just going to click on create account. You're going to click on sign up with Google account. You're going to continue with your Google account over here, just like that, and you're going to allow all of these settings for Cloud HQ and their Gmail email templates. And once you do that, you're just going to reload. Gonna wait for the sign up. You can just click on go to dashboard, and now you can see you have your Cloud HQ dashboard. So from here, you can create different email templates. And if you take a look at your messages over here, so let's say you have a specific kind of email that you like to send, like this is your CV. And this could be XYZ, whatever CV it is. So, hi, my name is Jane. I'm looking for a job, etc., etc., whatever it might be. So, whatever kind of CV it might be, whatever kind of email it might be, you are going to see these two new options. So, you have a few different new options over here as well. So, first off, you have insert template, where you can insert a certain kind of template from the Cloud HQ template section, and you can just design it accordingly, or you can also save draft as a template. So what this enables you to do is that you can save a certain kind of email that you frequently send. But the best part about using Cloud HQ is definitely not just that, but the best part is using their preset template. So if you take a look at their Gmail email templates, just click on Cloud HQ dashboard, and you can just take a look at their different templates. They are so amazing. And whenever you're composing emails in Gmail, you can just click on compose over here, and then you can click on insert template, and now you can see all of the free templates that are available. So you can see there are so many different free templates. You have my templates as well, so you can save a certain kind of template as well. Let's say if you have a welcome email, then you can save that as a template and then send it later on. If you have a certain email like a CV or a update or a meeting notice, something like that, you can leave like a blank space and then fill it out every time you load the template, but you would have the entire template typed out, and you don't have to retype stuff that you already have. So you can see there are over 853 free templates, and if you just click on this section over here, you can choose what kind of category you want. So let's say if you want to have sending marketing email, you can take a look at these different marketing templates. If it is a reminder email, then you can take a look at these reminder emails. If this is a holiday email, you can take a look at these. So there are different categories that you can choose from. And the best part is that you have anywhere from super stylized emails to nice, clean, simple looking emails as well. So you can choose whatever you prefer, however you like it. So let's say if you like a certain template. So let's say I'm going to pick out a template, and I'm going to go into the invite section and celebrate the season. So let's say I load this template. How do you actually customize a template? Well, first off, you're just going to wait for the template to load, and then you can see this is going to open up this top tab over your Gmail account, and then you can start editing your template. So you can see this is an image, and if you have to remove an image, you can just select the image, and then you can click on delete over here, and then you can add another content section. So if you want to add your own image, if you want to add a divider or something else, then you can add that as well. So let's click on images over here. You can search for images. Let's say you can search for flowers and get royalty-free images that you can directly add to your Gmail without having to download or do all that stuff. So you can drag it and drop it over here. And now you can see I've added this image, and let's say I want to move this text. So I'm just going to select the text, and what I would do is maybe I want to change up the text to pink, so I would just select the text, go with the text color, open this up, turn it into pink. So you can just customize your email like so. I'm going to delete this section over here, and let's say I want to actually send like a welcome email or a certain email that is actually very professional. So what I would do is I would just click on compose over here. I would click on insert template, and you can see this is the recent template that I opened, so it's showing in my recent templates. And you can also star certain templates that you frequently use to have them at a arms or fingers reach. So whenever you want to use a certain template that is frequently visited by you, you would have it in your directory over here. So let's say I want to send a newsletter. So there are so many different templates that I can choose from, but I think I'm going to go with this one. So this is a very interesting looking template and looks pretty nice and cute. And what I would do is, you can see this is like a image and this is the text. So to edit the text, I would just click on the text over here, select it, remove it, select it, and then remove it, and then add my own text. So I'm just going to write hey and thank you for signing up to our website, or whatever you want. So let's say I just want to add this, remove the text, and instead maybe I want to add another divider. So I would just drag and drop like this. And let's say I want to add another image, so I can drag and drop it over here, and then I can click on the content section and I can upload my own image, and I can also apply effects to the image, or I can also use the search bar to add a URL. So I can just open a website or open website to copy and paste that image from another website as well. So let's say I want to upload my own image, so I would just go up, I would click on upload image, I would go and upload the image that I want. So I currently don't have any images, so I'm just going to remove this section, but you can just do anything. Let's say I want to add my social media, so I would add this over here. And then I would click on the icons, and then I would add the kind of circle I want. So I would drag and drop this over here. Let's say I want to add Messenger or Facebook, Instagram, and then I would just add my URL for all of those over here, and people would automatically be led to my social media profiles whenever they click on these icons via these URLs. And this is a very simple and easy hack to add all of your social medias, add all of your information without having to, make it look super long or unnecessary, or, sometimes emails can just look annoying. And using a template like this will basically allow you to create a more professional and more neat looking email. Now, other than this, you also have your block section. So you can see how your email is laid out. So let's say if I want to add like 5 things or 3 things on the top of my email, what I would do is I would just take this block section, I would drag it to the top, and now I can add 4 different kinds of content over here. So I have column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4, and then I can add stuff accordingly. So I would click on add content, and then I can add content. So it could be images, it could be anything. It could be your polls, videos, social media, headings, HTML, buttons, dividers, whatever you might want. So usually these kinds of sections work best with images or videos. So you can click on image over here, drag it over here, and then you can click on the image section, and then you can upload your image. So whatever image it might be, this is just a sample for you guys to see on how to begin designing your own email templates via Gmail. And just like that, once I have this, what I would just do is I would click on this button over here. So this is what it's going to look like on desktops, and this is what it's going to look like on phones. And then I can just click on preview. And what I can do is, once I have designed this adequately, I can just click on send, and you can add your recipient. So I can send this to myself. I'm just going to send this to myself to show you guys what it's going to look like. And now, just like that, I have sent my email. And if I convert onto my other account, I'm going to show you guys what the email is looking like. So I haven't received it yet. It's going to take a few seconds. And now you can see this is what my email is looking like. So it looks so pretty. It looks so professional. And I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to create your own Gmail templates with this free to use Gmail and Chrome extension as well. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.